Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to language learning. As you know, this is Sepedi lessons channel. Today we are going to be naming vegetables in Sepedi. So without the waste of time, let's get right in with our today's video. So the first veg we have cabbage. What do we call cabbage in Sepedi? So a cabbage is called cabbage. A cabbage is called cabbage. A cabbage is called cabbage. The next veg we have pumpkin. What do we call pumpkin in Sepedi? So pumpkin is called leafody. Pumpkin is called leafody. The next veg we have a corn. What do we call a corn in Sepedi? So a corn is called lehia. A corn is called lehia. A corn is called lehia in Sepedi. The next veg you have potatoes. So what are potatoes called in Sepedi? Potatoes are called mazambane. Mazambane, or you can say matapola. Matapola. So potatoes are called matapola or mazambane. The next veg you have sweet potato. So what do we call sweet potato in Sepedi? Sweet potato is called potata. Sweet potato is called potata. Sweet potato is called potata. The next veg you have tomato. What do we call tomato in Sepedi? Tomato is called tamati. Tomato is called tamati. Tomato is called tamati. The next veg you have onion. So onion is called eiye. Onion is called eiye. Onion is called eiye. Onion is called eiye. The next veg you have sugar beans. So sugar beans are called diponkisi. Sugar beans are called diponkisi. Sugar beans are called diponkisi. The next veggies have beans. So beans are called dinawa. Beans are called dinawa. Beans are called dinawa in Sepedi language. So that's it for our